Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking Brussels sprouts in an Instant Pot. All we need is Brussels sprouts and water for pressure cooking. So the first step would be to trim the Brussels sprouts and cut them in half. So I'm just going to cut off the ends and cut each Brussels sprout in half and set aside. Now, once the Brussels sprouts are cut in half, we can open the Instant Pot and put 1 cup of water in the Instant Pot and add the Brussels sprouts. Now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 1 minute on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked Brussels sprouts. So easy to steam Brussels sprouts in the Instant Pot. Let's remove them to the serving dish. And now you can season them. So I'm just going to use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Parmesan cheese. You can use any spices and seasonings as you like. So perfectly seasoned, freshly cooked Brussels sprouts. They're perfect. They're bright green, tender, and it's still crisp. Perfect texture, just the way it should be. Now let me try it. Delicious, perfectly cooked. These Brussels sprouts taste amazing. You will love their texture when they're cooked in the Instant Pot. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.